What you eating, ate?
Spoon.
You're eating the spoon or the... You're licking the Milo out of
The
it?
Milo.
Ooh.
Eat one.
Eat one. How is it?
Good. Hello everyone, we're gonna make one of what are they called again?
Yana style of Munchkins.
No, my mom made them by herself. And then she taught me what's the recipe. And it's very yummy. You have to try it. Very short ingredients. Just 1, 2, 3 ingredients.
Okay. So, what are the ingredients, ate? Show them first.
What kind of milk is this? I forgot.
This is condensed milk.
Okay, I can't open it. Can you help me? Okay, I'll
Sure.
just open it from the chart.
So we need
This is easier.
condensed milk.
And then
We need-
Milo or any kind of hot chocolate desserts. Lois, you left the spoon in there.
Oh my. And then, whoa!
Okay, and then we need biscuits. These kind of biscuits, else it won't.
What kind of biscuits?
Really work.
The Graham.
Yeah.
It should be honey, or it's okay. It's just plain Graham.
Let's ask mommy about it. Oh, I forgot to smash it.
Okay, so we need to smash it.
Yeah.
Why?
Because if you don't smash it, you can't make the perfect ball.
Ah, okay.
Remember, like the crispy part?
So how do you smash it?
My mom.
You put it here.
No. The last time mom used. Oh, that's where you got
But I didn't
it.
smash
Oh, that one.
You
That's
put
the meat tenderizer. Wait. Oh, okay. Do it there. Oh, guys, you don't need to buy this meat tenderizer hammer. Oh no, Lois is here.
You can use a bag and smash it with the glass.
Hi,
I did
Lois.
that with myself. Hey.
Hi, Lois.
No, you can get a mug.
Hi, Tinky.
You can get a mug, ate.
Yeah, I know. I just got a piece of glass and smashed it, and then I made a big piece for Daddy, but I accidentally ate it. I couldn't resist.
So how many like this do you need?
Depends on you.
Yeah, it depends. I'm gonna use
You
about.
can use like 4.
Yeah, I'm gonna use 4.
You want more juice?
Oh, Ate, you do it.
Mommy, got the lid.
Mhm.
Mommy, I
Daddy's
got
turn.
that lid.
Can I use this side?
Ayun,
No, I
gusto.
put on the lid. I put up the lid.
Okay.
I put on the lid. I put it on.
It's heavy, it's heavy.
Okay, this is enough, I guess. Or this one.
Ay, bakla ka, Luz, may yapon.
Don't forget to do the sides.
Lois, see what
Yeah, I
you're doing,
did.
Lois.
Okay, Dad, this one.
Where's your bowl?
This one is next.
Is this one?
Yeah.
Sige.
Dad, this one's next.
May I help you, Lois? It's not still.
You break this one.
Break the sides.
Oh, it's not fully cracked.
It's okay.
Dad, break the
Better.
Oh,
sides.
it's better.
Yeah, it's better
What?
than mine.
Ate, can you come down so that you put this one?
Break the sides.
I'm not hurting.
Oh, yes! I don't know it.
Oh! Wait, can you remove?
Now I know why this is called a meat hammer. Oh no, there's a leak. There's a leak!
Sige, ako na lang para madali.
Two more.
Okay, so ate, we crushed some Graham biscuits.
Oh, there's
And-
already
There's already a spoon. There's already a spoon there.
Okay, I'll just use this.
Okay.
Lacey left this.
So what's next?
You pour about lots. I'm gonna
Is there any measurement?
No, 2.
No?
As long as you like.
Oh my god. How about like the whole bottle?
3.
3. Okay, and then what's next?
I'm just gonna leave that in there. Next is the milk. Can you pour it in? I'm mad at it.
You gonna pour all the milk?
No, not all of it. Just some of it.
Just some of it?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Like until it's a little too much. I'll tell you when to stop.
okay. What you doing there? Why are you sitting there?
I like it.
Okay.
Now stop.
Oh. Stop. Can you take this one? Yeah. Good job. Yeah.
And now we will mix it. After is the like a little fun part, and Dad will like
Do
it.
you need to use 2 spoons or just 1 spoon?
This one.
Just 1 spoon.
Yeah. My mom and I did 2 spoons because there were 2 of us.
Well, who are you looking for?
Mommy, where are you?
Mommy, where's mommy?
Oh, she's probably hiding in the banquets.
And then, do you need more milk or that's it?
Yeah.
I think you need more milk. Oh no, you spill!
It's okay.
It's okay.
As long as we have fun.
Yes, as long as you
You're
have fun.
hitting the
Ouch.
top.
Do you really like this one?
Yeah, I really like this.
Really?
I like making it, but the funnest part is eating it.
Haha, of course.
It's like
Oh, Lucy! Oh! Ah! You bumped my foot. Okay. Next.
guys, this will take a while. Dad, will you fast forward it? Maybe.
Yeah. You need to put more milk.
No, we're gonna put water after because it's gonna be sticky.
Oh, water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Later. Okay, you can add more milk.
Water?
Milk.
More milk?
Stop! I can't, okay? I
Okay,
can't.
Sweep it. Hey, Loisy! Ow! What you doing, Loisy?
Like Papa Fool.
Playing Papa Show? Oh my gosh. Well, Ate is doing kitchen job here. We're doing Papa Show. Lois is having fun.
Well, I'm having fun.
Does Lois love this one too?
Oh, no.
Oh,
She
really?
doesn't really eat it. I do.
Okay.
After you're done this, like the spoon. I like
Yeah.
looking. What? It's delicious. You gotta try it.
Hey, you're here. Smells
Wait.
good. Okay,
Wait.
so next, what's the next step? And then what's next?
Pour in the water.
Just a little bit?
Yeah. That should be enough. I don't want to waste. Else this would be too chummy.
It's so hard.
I know.
It should be hard.
Yeah, a little.
I asked mommy, she needs to answer.
Now it's smooth. See, the water makes it more smoother. We're gonna mold it.
Mold it to what?
We have a handle. We're gonna mold it into a ball. Oh no! I don't know. How can I forget?
What did you forget?
I should put in plate.
Oh, what's
We're
that
gonna
for?
wrap, cause we're gonna wrap the ball in the Milo.
Oh,
This way. Daddy, I'm gonna do too.
okay.
Ew, this looks so gross. And then after, we'll put it in the freezer and we'll give you the results.
You make it a ball.
It's still.
It's not a ball.
I know, but it's okay.
Oh. Like that?
Yeah, and then it freezes a little over a while.
Oh. It's like a cooked ball there. Oh, so you roll it like that in your bare hands. You squeeze it, squeeze it.
Oh.
Squeeze it.
Damn.
You're not squeezing it. Ah.
After I'm gonna lick my hands. This is so tasty.
Yeah. It looks like tae. Ew. You lick the tae. Ew. Ew. Yummy?
Yeah.
Hey, you put it in your mouth and then you're gonna touch the food again. Ah. So how many can you make?
How much as you like?
Oh.
Told
Mmm.
you it was good.
Rolling ball. Rolling ball. Rolling ball.
After that,
How long will you put it in the freezer?
about just 1 hour, 1 minute.
Just an hour, a minute?
Yeah.
An hour or a minute? That's a big difference there.
Maybe like about 30 minutes.
What? A minute? An hour or 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
Make
okay.
up your mind.
Okay, maybe check in your freezer, but not too much.
Do you need it to get hard or
It says not too hard.
not too hard?
Ooh.
So maybe you can eat it just now. I mean, like, no need to freeze it.
If you don't freeze it, you're gonna get your hand sticky.
Ah. Oh, done. We got how many balls there? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got 7. Oh, like Dragon Ball.
Now, at the last piece.
What's the last piece? The final part?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a design with Milo.
Ooh. What you eating, ate?
Spoon.
You're eating the spoon or you're licking the Milo out of it?
The Milo.
Ooh.
What's delicious?
Ooh. Need to go brush your teeth after, huh? Okay, so we're gonna put it in the freezer and wait for how many minutes? Maybe just 30 minutes. Let's put in the freezer. In the freezer. And let it cool. Baboosh!
Hello guys, we're gonna open the
After an
balls.
hour in the freezer.
Let's eat one.
Okay, eat one. How is it?
Good.
Is it
Try one.
Is it chewy?
Yeah? The place is cold.
It's not chewy. That's
Yes. Okay. I'll do it. Don't worry. Let's try this one first. 1, 2, 3.
With the battery.
Mmm.
And Daddy.
It tastes like Graham, Milo, and condensed milk.
Dad, it doesn't.
Mmm.
It tastes like Milo. Just Milo.
Mmm. Yummy.
You show it. You show it that.
They're delicious. Oh, you ate the middle one. Ew.
Can you give me one then?
Thank you for watching, guys.
Mommy ate 2 before we made this. We made a 3 and this is my 4th one.
Ah, Tito. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Paalam.
Paalam.
You said goodbye, Mom.
Paalam, yeah. Goodbye.
Hi guys, maraming salamat po.